In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails using Hubspot in 2025. This will be a quick and easy guide, perfect for anyone looking to streamline their email marketing efforts efficiently. First, let's head over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Hubspot, or simply search for it in your search engine to find their main site. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. Make sure you have this information handy, as you'll need it to get started. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home screen. From here, you want to navigate to the marketing section. You can usually find this option on the main menu or dashboard. Clicking on marketing will display a drop down, and within that drop down, look for the email option and select it. Now, we are getting close to crafting our email. The next step is to click on the Create Email button. This is where the process starts to get exciting, since it's time to design the email you'll be sending out. HubSpot provides a streamlined process for this. After clicking on Create Email, you'll see the option to create a beautiful personalized email designed specifically for your chosen segment of contacts. Once you have your personalized email ready to go, click on the Next button to proceed. HubSpot will then prompt you to choose a template. Templates are super helpful as they give your email a professional look and ensure consistency across your correspondence. Browse through the available templates, and when you find one that fits your style or brand, go ahead and select it. With your template set, the next step is to review the content of your email and prepare it for sending. Click on the Review and Send option, which will bring up a summary of your email. Take a moment now to ensure that everything looks right from the subject line to the main email body. This step is crucial because it's your last chance to make any needed adjustments before clicking send. Finally, you'll want to select your recipients. HubSpot allows you to choose from various email lists you've created. Picking the right list, targeting the right audience is key to a successful email campaign. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to hit send and launch your email to the masses. And there you have it, a streamlined process to send mass emails with HubSpot, ensuring your marketing campaigns are conducted smoothly and effectively. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.